Okay. Hi everyone. So welcome back to Design with Karthik and welcome back for a new video. Okay. So this video it is you are going to see me designing one small effect in Canva. Okay, that the effect is called a sliced photo effect. Okay, many might not be aware of we can do such effect in Canva. Of course, it is very common in Photoshop thing, but in Canva also we can do that effect with the easy ready-made tool available. Okay, so that is what we are going to see now. So come on, let's straight away jump into the Canva thing. Okay, so this is the blank artboard. Okay, I have taken a 1000 x 1000 pixel artboard. Okay, so this is how the initial screen is going to be. So the first and foremost, I'm going to name a document. Okay, because that is the first step we should do for any design. Let it be a Canva, let it be Photoshop Illustrator. Naming a document is very essential. So that is the first thing which I'm going to do now. So let's name the sliced photo effect. Okay, okay, so we have named that. So after naming so we'll straight away jump into searching for a photograph. Okay, so this effect can be done in a one best photo only. So we need to pick up a photo. Okay, some best photo available. So let's see whether we could get any photo. So I have this is the photo this is the photo for which I'm going to create this sliced text effect. Okay, so I've already chosen it. Okay, I want a man to be jumping style, so I have chosen this photo. Okay, so you can use any other photo, but make sure it looks very nice in this if a man is in jumping state or any other state. So it is better you try this effect in this type of photograph. Okay. Okay, so we have taken the photo. Since the background is white, it is appearing as a png image, but it is not a png, so you can cross check it by applying some background color. Okay, so this it is not png. So our first next step, so at first choose a photo, and second step is to remove the background. Okay, so that can be easily done with the just click on a photo, select effects, and click on background remover. Okay, this is a Canva Pro account. So background remover is available here. If you are having a Canva free account, then background remover is not available in this in as a part of free account. So in that case, you can go for any other online softwares. For example, remove.bg is one website where you can upload a photo, it will remove the background and give it to you. So there are so many related softwares available, so you can try those software. This is a free account, so sorry, this is a pro account, so I can use anything here over here. Okay, so I have created this. I have removed the background. So now I'm going to duplicate this image. So Control C, Control V. So I duplicated the image. Okay, so let's apply sliced effect for the duplicate photo. So click on the photo and just click on effect. Okay, you will see there are so many effects available. If you're not seeing this bad TV glitch pixelate effect, then you might be seeing something like this. You may also like there will be some stuffs like slice effect, screen effect will be listed here. Just click on this and just click on connect. It will showcase, it will be showcasing like this. Okay, so here I'm going to use the slice effect only. So in slice I'm going to see all. So I'm going to affect either means to turn. Okay, let go. Almost everything is same, but the amount of slices will be more, and it will be so much glitchy also. So let me take average thing. Let me go for a sliced mint effect, minced. Okay, so this is how it is going to be. Don't click immediately click apply, because once you click apply you can't change this filter. So before clicking on apply, just click on the this what do you call slider tool, so that you can adjust the sliding of the number of slices and other stuffs. Okay, so this seems to be fine. Okay, this seems to be fine, and offset it is okay, this is okay. And position for this, let it be in same position, or else give a small slight adjust to a position, because we are going to combine both the image to a single thing, so it will be not all right. Okay, so let the position be either 0 or a slight adjustment in a position. So this seems to be okay, so just click on apply. Okay, so now what you are going to do is, here comes the important steps. So now you are just going to merge this image above this image. Okay, just Control plus, you can expand the artboard. Okay, control plus, this is what you call standard shortcut for almost all application, let it be Illustrator, Photoshop or Canva. It is control plus only. Okay, or control minus will zoom out, and this will be zoom in, zoom out. Okay, so just match it and place above the original image. Okay, like this. Okay, so now we are going to crop the image. Okay, so just click on crop, and I'm going to crop till the pant. Okay, till the jean I'm going to crop it. Same for, click on, either click outside or click on the done. Okay, and then the original photo, yeah, again I'm going to crop it. Okay, that will be cropped on the top surface. Okay, click on done. So that's it. So the top part, it is a original image, and the bottom part, it will be of sliced image. So that is how the cool effect look like. Okay, so now we'll group this image into a single thing. Okay, and now it's time to adjust our color. Even though the photo is from high resolution image, it is of much better clarity. Always have a practice to do some color corrections. Okay, that will elevate your design, that will elevate your photos to a next level. So always, one thing which I do very common is this X process, because it just gives that richness to that image. Okay, it gives that contrast feel. So I'll give slight X process and also contrast, a little bit of contrast, a very subtle brightness, saturation, a little bit of saturation. Okay, so remember, this is a two image. So if you did for the top part, then you need to do separately for a bottom part. Okay, so 421 1236, I'll follow the same thing for here so that it doesn't look different. 421 12 6, am I right? Okay. 421 1236, sorry. Okay, okay. So yes, that, see the difference between the earlier image and now. You can see the amount of richness which the color correction brought to the image. Okay, so it's now the effect is done. So let's make much more pleasing to watch it. Okay, so just click on the background. Yes, no, subtle bit of, just click on the eyedropper and we'll pick some color from the shadow itself, a slight opposite. Okay, yes, so this look very cool. Okay, so still we can add two things. One thing, we can add a shadow. Another thing, the image should look somewhat pop out from the background. So what we can do is just go to elements and search dots. Okay, try some monotones monotone sort of dots thing. I think this will do. Yeah, sorry, I meant set it to. So just expand this and apply same color and apply a slight darkness to it. Okay, and move this backward. Okay, so now you can see the difference, that it looks somewhat projected uh, above that background layer. So that is what is achieved from this by giving a subtle addition to a background. Okay, you can slightly, we can slightly decrease the transparency also. Yes, so that it doesn't look like a separate element, it just go well with the background itself. Okay, and finally let's add a shadow. Where is the shadow? Yes. Okay, Okay, so it's time to add some text. Whatever be the text, you can add it. Let's add B. Okay, it's time for up to your own wish. I'm just adding some random text. You can add it's your own wish. So I'm just adding it's time for party. And we should give some good amount of contrast, so the contrast is achieved in size and also in color. So okay, there is a net issue. Okay, fine, so almost done. So this is what the final image is. Okay, so I hope so you have learned this sliced photo effect in this tutorial. So we'll soon see in some other effect in some other video. Okay, so thank you so much, thank you so much for watching this video till the end. See you soon in a new video. Thank you and bye.